you're new to this channel, be sure to subscribe. Today, I will be testing the water resistance of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Let's go. So we're at 1 minute mark, and still good. The Note 9 is IP68 rated and is resistant in fresh water to a maximum of depth of 1.5 meters for up to 30 minutes. Now we're at 2 minutes and 30 seconds mark. I can see that there is no water damage yet. Let me just get a piece of cloth. Just gonna wipe all the water. Now let's try the fingerprint sensor. And it's still working. Now let's try the speakers. And still works. Let's try the S Pen in opening the camera. And still working. This water resistance test was done in a controlled environment. Try it at your own risk. Yes, the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 is water resistant, so accidental drop in a swimming pool or in the bathtub should not be a problem with the Note 9. I hope you enjoy the video. Peace.